That's the AGA version, and there's no score on AGA, and there's no score on ECS, OCS, so both versions. That means we can do 2 scores. And I think then we did enough and I can raid over to someone else. No, Doctor maybe captured the toys. Okay, hope RoboCod will help us. Codename RoboCod. It's quite the name. It's quite the name. Okay, I thought that's a scoring item, but it's just a pole. The game has a very distinct feel to it, that I can tell you. Oh, okay, and there it's locked up. Okay, so we're gonna go into the Toyland. Let me check if something up there. Okay, no, there's nothing up there. Oh wait, if... Hey, wait. Can we, in theory... Okay, no we can't. But what we can do is get them like this. Hey. Not what we agreed upon. There we go. Because they give us points, it's a score run. We gotta keep it real. And we need to collect penguins as well. Okay, that's it with the strawberries for now, it seems. I mean, with the ones that we've seen before, of course, there can be new layer. They make it seem like you can just go, but you can't. The question is, how do you get up there? Because you can cling onto things. You can duck. But you just drop if you do something like this. Ah. Okay, well. We got a car now. Ah. I get it. Shoes. When we're done with the shoes, we need to come all the way back. Ah, spikes. So you know what to do. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. This is like playing Super Mario. Oh, that's not a good thing? Okay. You're not allowed to pick up poison bottles. Not even in a cute game like this. Who would have thought? Hey, how am I supposed to... See? I was going to complain before even checking it out. Very Austrian. For those who don't know, that's very Austrian. Okay, they would give us now the option. Hey, I want to get this guy. There we go. And what's about here? Ah, snake. Ha, funny. Up, up. Excuse me. Ooh. A little sneeze. Because I was feeling a breeze. So, Mr. Cereal, if you're still sticking around, enjoying the leisurely and simple gaming of RoboCod 2, that is, are you going to stream today? And if so, do you want me to raid you? I think I still have to go like for half an hour. I love complaining too. It is. You're more than welcome to migrate to Austria. Oh, and you said it. See, I didn't even finish reading your sentence. Also a very Austrian thing. And making assumptions. And you said it yourself. Am I also Austrian? You are. I don't know if I should congratulate you on that fact or if we should just leave it be for what it is. But you are somewhat Austrian, sir. I don't know if... Wait, we're... Okay, you get about 600 points for getting rid of them, so... Sunday is my day off. I guess it's Monday, but later tonight it's Monday. Yeah, but for you it's still Sunday. Am I right in this case? Come on! That was very Austrian as well. Greed. So we better not touch this again. But we got a bell. That was... giving us a lot of points, and we take those. Aha! But if possible, I would love to get up in there. So, oh, you're going to eject all your stuff now, huh? See, there you go. Oh, I have a feeling that this thing might open this thing. It does. And we got our CRT TV. Nearing bedtime for me, I guess so. It's already late. If there's nothing else to cling upon, I guess... Wait, how high can I jump? Okay, I can do the full jump. Okay, no, I can't. So I have to do... Okay, no, I can't do that either. Okay. I'm pretty sure this will help. Wings. They do be helping. Thank you very much. Alright, then I'll raid you another time. Don't worry. I guess Xenoblade still has a few more hours worth of content ahead of itself. So that shouldn't be the issue. So much more game time there. Ooh, okay. That was not the best of jumps, but then again, what is the best of jumps? Bum, bim, bim, ba-da-dum, bum, bum. So we got this pesky bird. Oh, that was a big drop. I'm on my last life, but I'm my last life, so this is not gonna go well, I guess. But it's a population run again, so. A bit of a blind run here. Huh. It's a checkpoint. That's not gonna do me well. Yeah. 282k and 300. AGA, 282k, 300. We take